Hi guys, this is Zsolt from Zsolt's Tech and Detail World channel. Today I'm going to try to restore the headlights of this 16 years old Skoda Fabia. I'm going to use some very basic tools to do so. It is going to be done in a voiceover because this video is done in two languages, so I'm going to use the Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer and some microfiber applicators. Now I'm going to get you a bit closer. So this is how it looks like after a couple of years of usage. Both headlights were restored, as far as I'm concerned, twice already. So first of all, I make sure the surface is dry with a normal and cheap microfiber towel. The car was more or less washed before this operation. You just need to shake the headlight restorer. Alright, I apply a little bit of this chemical on the headlight with the microfiber applicator. And then I let it settle. I give it only a few seconds, and then I'm going to use a dry microfiber towel to remove, just to see what sort of result I've managed to achieve. Almost there. Actually, at this point I was using the other side, the dry side of the applicator. And also the microfiber towel, as I mentioned before. It is slightly better, but still not exactly the result I wanted to see. So need to apply another layer. Again on the applicator pad. This time I use a little bit more than at the first occasion. And again, I just let it settle a little bit. And then again, I'm going to use the dry side of the applicator with a bit of pressure applied, as you can see from the shaking car. Already I can see better result compared to how it was. Keep in mind, I'm not using very expensive tools and very expensive chemicals. It's only a hand application. So after the second round and drying it nicely, there is a considerable result. As you see, the orange or yellow peel, lots of that came off the headlight. But just in case, I'm going to apply a third layer as well. Again, I try to use sort of like a generous amount, but I don't want to overdo it, because of course only only that layer is going to do any magic that is in direct contact with the headlight. So let's just leave it to settle again. To keep the video shorter, I'm showing it only on one of the headlight, and then the same procedure is going to be applied for the second. But I'm going to show only the end result. So again, generous amount of pressure to remove the chemical, and then a bit of drying again. Much better than it was before. And there you go, both of the headlights are done. Now I'm going to apply some Chemical Guys jet seal on both, just to give some UV protection. Even at best, it's going to last for no more than 6 months, but at least it's better than nothing. And again, to keep the video short, because when you apply the jet seal, you need to keep it on around for like 20 minutes. Of course, by using a fresh applicator pad, not the same that you use for the restoration. So after the 20 minutes, when it hazes up nicely, then you just need to use a microfiber towel and remove it. And then the application and the protection is done. So there you go, the second headlight. Again, it makes no sense to apply a crazy amount. It would be just a waste of money. A nice thin coat is more than enough. So we are not wasting it. Of course, now we are not going to wait the entire 20 minutes. So I'm going to cut it shorter. So I'm going to use a dry microfiber towel. You can see it hazed up. So one headlight is more or less restored and protected, and now the second one is also restored and somewhat protected. So that's it, guys. If you liked, click the like button, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. And catch you in another video shortly. Thank you. Bye bye.